Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you in power how to delete an account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To remove a linked external bank account from the Empower app, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Empower application. Then inside, be sure to be logged into your account by tapping on the login button on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to more option. Then simply tap on more, tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now next is to access account setting. Then simply tap on account to open account settings. The next is to go to the connected accounts. Simply tap on connected accounts to view all the linked accounts. Now here what you need to do is select the account that you wish to remove by simply swiping left on the account you wish to unlink. Then simply tap on the delete option provided to you. Then confirm the deletion when prompted. You cannot delete the account that is linked to your autosave and subscription. If the account is associated with these features, you must first disable them before removing the account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.